In a bright little village, there lived a cheerful girl named Lena. One sunny morning, Lena's grandmother gave her 5 shiny red apples in a basket. Lena was so happy. She carried the basket and skipped around the garden. On the way, her friend Omar came by and said, "Wow, Lena, those apples look delicious. Can I have one, please?" Lena smiled and gave him one apple. She looked inside her basket and said, I had 5 apples. I gave one to Omar. Now I have 4 apples left." She walked a little further and saw her little sister, Sarah. Sarah asked, "Can I have 2 apples to share with my dolls?" Lena laughed and gave her 2 apples. She counted again. "I had 4 apples. I gave 2 to Sarah. Now I have 2 apples left." Finally, Lena saw a hungry bird sitting on a tree branch. She kindly placed 1 apple on the ground for the bird. Then she counted carefully. "I had 2 apples. I gave 1 to the bird. Now I have 1 apple left." Lena held up the last apple and said happily, "Subtraction is like sharing. When we take away, the number gets smaller. At the end, the screen shows a big colorful message for children. Subtraction means taking away. It helps us know how many are left."